Hello guys, I'm coming with next video, that is let's do multiplication and division of fractions. I think you are excited for this chapter also because this is very important chapter. So what do you mean by the multiplying of fraction? How to multiply the fraction? There are two fraction and you have to multiply it. So what will be the step? Now I will tell you about the step. Multiply the numerator of both the fraction. That is the first step. Second step, you have to multiply the denominator. And what the result come is that you have to be coming resultant fraction to reduce it to the lowest fraction. Means agar okay, let's see this. 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 is equal to what comes 6 by 12, and it can be lowest also. So we lowest means 6 also divide by 6 and 12 both are comes in the table of 6. So we divide both the numbers with the 6 and resultant figure is that is 1 by 2. This is division basically. So how do we multiply the fraction which if I have a mixed fraction there? So simple answer. That the simple answer is the first mixed fraction you have to change it into the improper fraction, then multiply with another fraction, and the step you get that is, or sometime there is numerator and there is the denominator which can be divided by some table. Like here you can see 15 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 5. It means 5 and 15. 15 is the numerator of one fraction and 5 is the denominator of second fraction. So you can divide it also. You can do this step also. So 5 cut by 3, so answer will be 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 1. So then you multiply again both the fraction and you get 9 by 4. 9 by 4 you have represent there is the numerator is bigger than the denominator. It means you have to give the answer in mixed fraction. So you divide 9 by divided by 4 and you get 2. 1 by 4 is the answer. So that is the mixed fraction multiplication. Now next one is multiplying the fraction with whole number. How we could do that? Whole number and how to multiply the fraction with whole number? It means you have to do change the whole number in fraction, or how to change the number of whole or whole number in the fraction, that we have to see 3 by 1. So there here is the whole number is 3 and you if you put the denominator 1, so answer will be the same. You can also say it 3 and you can in fraction I can say also 3 by 1. And when you multiply the same method, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, and answer I will be get by you, that is 6 by 7, and 6 by 7 always all the that is lowest term. So we have not to worry to change it in the lowest term because it already have done. Okay, next, multiplying the mixed fraction with the whole number, that is the same, but just there is one step add, that you have to change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Here I do the example also. So 1 4 by 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 1. Then 9 to 6 multiply and 5 to 1 multiply, so that we get 54 by 5. And now 54 by 5 is the resultant fraction, but it is in improper and we can change into the mixed fraction. How? 54 divided by 5. It means when you divide, there is the remainder also, there is a quotient also, so that will be you put in the mixed fraction 10 4 by 5. That is the answer. Okay, next the topic is division of fraction. How to divide? Just in division, you have both the function. dividing also and multiplying also. How multiply come in this? Just there is the step that for the division of the fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Means you have to change the fraction which is divided by the other fraction. That is, if that is 3 by 4, and you have to change it 4 by 3, and multiplication sign comes here. I will show you the in the example here. 4 by 15 divided by 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3, what we have to do? That will be reverse. And the multiple division symbol is changed into the multiplication. 4 by 15 multiply by 3 by 2. And again, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, we have to multiply. So that is 12 by 30. And after lowest the term, means divided by the 6, because both the numbers are coming in the table of 6. So 6 divided by 6, that is 2, and 30 divided by 6, that is 5. So 2 by 5 is the resultant answer. Okay. Next, division with the whole number. If I divide 2 by 3 divide by 4, here is the example is given. So, what we have to do? Just same step, you have to change the whole number is reciprocal. Reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. And division will be changed into multiplication. And the answer will be the, you get that is 2 by 12, and 2 by 12 is also making a lowest term, and that is 1 by 6 is the answer. Or you can say 2 or 4. 2 is one fraction numerator, and 4 is fraction of denominator, and you can divide it here also. 2 divided by 4, that means 1 by 2. 1 by 2, when answer is 1 by 6. There is no need to lowest after that if we do this step. Okay, next one. Okay, division of fraction and mixed number. So when you divide the, both are the fractions are given in mixed one. There, here is the example I had given. 8 2 by 5 divided by 4 2 by 7. Now you have to convert 8 2 by 5 first into the improper fraction, and that comes 42 by 5. And next is 4 2 by 7, that is also change in improper fraction, and that will be I get 30 by 7. Now division same, 42 divided by 5 divide 30 by 7, that comes. So we have to, when we change the division symbol in the multiplication, the second fraction will be reciprocal, that is 30 by 7 is equal to 7 by 30. So 42 divided by 5 multiplied by 7 by 30. Now you can solve the question, or this answer is also came in most probably, that is in the improper fraction. And when you get the result in improper fraction, and you have to change it again in mixed fraction. So answer will be in the mixed fraction of this question. Okay, there is a some area you can also say that is waffle model, or you can also say multiplying with the area model. So when we show the multiplication of fraction in the grid or area model or waffle model, that how we visualize this fraction into the area model or waffle model. Here 3 by 7. First put the 3 by, there is one rectangle, and you making a 3 part of it, 7 part of it, and from there 3 will be the 3 part of the shaded, and that is the pink one. Okay, and 1 by 9, 1 by 9 means again that grid you have to change into the 9 diagram, that is horizontally 9. You can see in this, that one, that I have changed horizontally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Horizontally it is 7 part, but in vertically it have 9 part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how to multiply? So where the pink and the blue will be the same. मेरी recording खराब